Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram and unexpected error occurred in login. If you're using Instagram and you're facing a login issue that whenever you try to log in with your account, you see an error that you're unable to log in and an unexpected error occurred, please try login again. So let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you just have to go back and then you have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable or disable airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Go back from here, open your settings app, go for general and go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect with that. Go back from here and open your app store, go for search for Instagram, and you have to make sure that you have any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find any pending updates here, try to update your app. After updating, go back and you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so try to make a forced restart your iPhone to fix some minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So that's that is. You have to quickly press and raise the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, unlock your phone and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, you have a single way. Open your settings app, go for general, go for iPhone storage, look for Instagram app here, and you have to try to offload your app if you're using any Android phone. So you have to try to clear your app cache. So it might be that there will be any bug or any malware into your Instagram app. It will be fixing this tab, and after that you'll not forget the issue again. Simply tap on this offload app option, and after that you'll get a reinstall option here. You just have to reinstall the app in your iPhone and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.